In this video, we're going to talk about AC and DC. So AC stands for alternating current. That's what AC stands for. And DC is direct current. And so here I've drawn a little chart. And the bottom axis is time. So time is increasing. So 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds. Then the top axis are the y-axis, I should say, not the top. The y-axis could be current or voltage for AC. And the big star here is for AC, that's alternating current. The current changes direction over time. And so here's your household current. And you can see it goes up to +1, then down to -1, then up to +1, down to -1, up, down. So it's changing from positive to negative constantly. And here I've shown one cycle from the peak of one to the peak of another. That's one cycle, or one wavelength we would call it. And the cycle repeats 60 times per second. So 60 cycles, so 60 times it goes up, down, up, 60 times per second. And so any time something is per second, we call that a special unit called hertz, abbreviated Hz. So 60 cycles per second we would call 60 hertz. So hertz is a frequency unit representing cycles per second and abbreviated Hz. So that's your household current that you have. If you have a plug-in at your house, I'm showing right here is a standard wall socket. It is running at 60 hertz. And DC, or direct current, is a type of current provided by batteries. And it stays constant. The current or voltage stays constant over time. So here again is time. So this would be 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4, 5 seconds. And the output is constantly a constant. It doesn't change over time. Whereas here it was going positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative for AC. This is always positive for DC. It could be also the situation where you have time, 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds. And this is 0. And this could be -1, okay? So but it's not changing direction over time. It's always constant.